My name is Damaris, and this is vlog number 4 for Rec 310 Women in Leisure's class at Cal State East Bay. For this vlog, I'll be talking about my feelings and what I learned from this project as a whole. This project brought up a lot of feelings of learning, especially something in motor vehicles, which I'm not used to. When I was building the model, at some point some of the parts were very small, and some that I thought that these parts aren't even going to be seen. Why put in so much effort? But after taking thought, I realized that it really does matter to the whole build as a whole, and that these components were probably something that were in actual vehicles. So I thought that was pretty cool that even the smallest details were taken into account. This project also gave me insight on the fact that men and women have different types of leisure activities, even though they might be similar. A lot of women like to craft and take on creative projects, but this being building a model car being more of a male-dominated leisure activity, I found it very interesting that it's still similar to crafting or painting, but in terms of things that are more, quote, socially acceptable for men, such as for building cars. This class has also made me realize that women's leisure has been oppressed and they don't have the same type of access to leisure activities. It's also made me realize more how women are portrayed in the media and how women's sports are covered, which I find very interesting. I feel like compared to when I was a kid as to now, I hear more of women's sports being reported, their achievements being celebrated, whereas when I was a kid, there wasn't really much of that in the news or in the media. In terms of building another model, I would like to participate again. This is something that I thought was pretty cool, maybe something that I take longer to do, and that way I can also use up the materials that I have. But this was a very fun and interesting experience, and I'm glad I was able to do it with this class. Thank you.